Hi, in this video I will show you how to change record sound on iPhone 16 Pro to stereo sound. So this is iPhone 16 Pro. All you have to do, you go to settings on the iPhone 16 Pro, you go to settings and then scroll down to camera, tap camera. Alright, on camera section, again scroll down, you will find the record sound. Record sound by default by the manufacturer of iPhone, Apple, is on spatial audio. This spatial audio, you need to change it if you want to not have record in a 3D audio format, and because this will make intelligent automatic decisions about how to mix the audio when cinematic mode is used or an audio mix is selected in photos. So best thing is to, if you want to get rid of spatial audio, you need to change it to stereo as on previous Apple iPhones. Stereo. That's it. This is how to change record sound, record audio on iPhone 16 Pro. How to change record sound on iPhone 16 Pro from spatial audio to stereo, or if you want to mono. So I prefer stereo sound. Thank you for watching.